Hey guys, Gael Level here. And today we're going to be talking about today we're going to be talking about a lot of stuff. This is going to be some sort of introduction, but also a channel update, I guess. I want to tell you who I am and what this channel is actually about, because I've been kind of free writing for so far. And I really want you guys to know me a little bit better, because this channel, if you go down, you'll see the first thing that I posted were gaming stuff, because when I just started streaming on Twitch, I was just playing games. That's why the channel is called Gael Level Gaming. I actually own a couple of channels, I think 4 in total. I have a personal one, a professional one, a music one, and this one. And then if you scroll up a little bit, you'll see that I started doing tutorials about social media in general, and mostly live streaming. My streaming tips series is the most popular. It's mostly why I'm known, I guess. But I've never done an actual introduction. I've never told you who I was. Who is this guy that I keep on watching? And the support has been amazing. I've gained more than 100 subscribers in the past 28 days, and it's just so cool. It is just so cool. And I would like to move the channel forward, and I would like you guys to know what I plan to do on 2018. Okay, but let's start first by, who am I? My name is Gael Level. Hi. Also known as Gael Level Out. Yeah, my outro has been the fruit of many memes. I'm a multimedia artist. I started when I was young. Very young. Too young to work as a multimedia artist, to be honest. But I was born in Haiti, so it was okay, I guess. It still wasn't legal, but when I was 14, I was getting paid to do things like business cards, posters, billboards designs and stuff like that. So I really started at a young age. I have a huge background in music also. I was doing like classical concert when I was like 7, and then when I got my first real computer at 10, I started downloading software to I don't even remember what the first software was to make music, but quickly when I was 13, 14, I downloaded FL Studio 2, I think it was at the time, and I started making music, and I was also getting paid to make instrumentals for local rappers and artists in general. So yeah, I have a big background when it comes to multimedia content. I've been doing this thing for more than 10 years. I'm 27 now. So you guys can imagine that I know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about creativity, or I'm talking about creating content, productivity, and stuff like that. I have a couple of videos on that, but this is not an advert for my other videos. Do watch them though, because they're good. They're good. And then I started doing photography when I was about 17. I wasn't doing it professionally at this time, but then I met a couple of models, and I started doing mostly portrait. And then I started doing events, and by the time I was like 21, I was doing photography professionally for events, anything that was portrait, fashion, product photography. I've worked 2 years in a phone company, a phone accessory company, where I would take pictures and just do product photography in general. And yeah, I also worked as a freelance photographer. I was hired at this company who does tourist photography at the Eiffel Tower and other tourism places. That wasn't a great experience, but still, it gave me experience, so I can't really complain about it. I did wedding photography. That was pretty cool. But now I mostly work as a freelance photographer for brands, and it's mostly product photography or product advertisement. Now, all of this aside, I'm also a huge geek, I guess. I play a lot of video games. Well, I don't play a lot of video games. I play video games a lot. Right now, I'm mostly playing Overwatch, and I play a little bit of Rocket League. I really love Mortal Kombat 10, my favorite. I also play PUBG. So that means I also watch streamers. I really love the website Twitch for live streaming. I think I spend at least 5 to 6 hours on Twitch. But if you count my live streams, that's like 12 hours on Twitch every single day. when I'm not streaming, I'm basically watching other streamers stream. I also spend a lot of time on YouTube. So last year, around the end of the year, I decided, hey, I need to make this something serious. I need to turn my YouTube career, if we can call it a career, because I just hit 10,000 views and I was made a YouTube partner on this channel. My 3 other channels, well, 2 of my 4 channels had already hit the 10,000 views like long time ago, but I've never monetized my videos. So I thought, hey, I'm mostly involved with the whole Twitch thing. I might as well monetize this channel and start uploading regularly. Right now, I'm trying to upload 5 videos a week and more if I can. The ultimate goal was 1 video per day, but I really need a break on weekends. Otherwise, I'll go crazy here. So yeah, so this is what this channel is mostly about. I think it's my main channel now. I used to say that my personal channel was my main channel, but I don't even upload there anymore. So aside from all the live streaming content, the how to do this and how to do that, I also want to start uploading more personal stuff, more engaging stuff, because I really want some sort of connection with you guys. I don't want just to solve a problem and have you wander away be like, oh, thank you for solving this problem, I'm out. I'm saying that, but a lot of you actually subscribed after I've solved the problem for you, so thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys will stay with me during this journey. So 2018, this is what I have in mind. Not only doing tutorials and stuff like that, but I'm trying to get the channel to be complete. You know, if I'm working on a DIY project, I will give you behind the scenes and stuff like that. I pretty much want to bring you with me on a journey, on my journey, and to show you everything, pretty much everything that's happening. I can't show you everything because of YouTube restrictions, but I kind of want to show more than what I'm showing right now. Right now, my process is to find a problem and to solve that problem. And it's going well. To be honest, if I'm doing it for views, those get a lot of views because most of the time, those are the videos that people literally research. Like my titles are things that are all keywords that people search for. And I don't want to be only doing that kind of content because it's good for the short run, but it's not good on the long run because people don't know who I am and people will not be interested if I do anything else. So I need to kind of switch it up. It's not going to be brutal. I'm not going to start uploading vlogs. So, okay, I want this to be super clear. I do not want this channel to become a vlog channel. This is not what I'm saying at all. What I'm saying is that my content will not only be tutorials that solve problems. I will also upload a couple videos like this one right there, and where I would just talk to you guys, know what's on your mind and what are you doing, you know, and tell you what I'm doing so we can have some sort of a conversation. Talking about 2018, so yes, not only I want to switch up a little bit of the content on this channel because this is my main channel and I want to upload more, but on top of that, I kind of want to tell you about my whole process and my schedule. Basically, 2018, I'm usually the dude who doesn't like when people are like, new year, new me, but I really want this year to be good for me. So obviously there was some changes. It's not the year. I just want my life to be better and I want to be more productive. So I decided to change on 2018. I just realized I'm making excuses for saying new year, new me. Yeah, I guess I just followed the trend, new year, new me, and I'm making excuses for it. Anyways, what I did is I came up with a new schedule on my phone, and every time something comes up, it basically warns me, hey, right now you have to do this, right now you have to do that. I prefer this method over, I don't know, having a Google Agenda, which I also use, or a whiteboard, which I also use, because an alarm, you really can't ignore your alarm. No, it's an audio thing. I always have my phone on me and it's telling you exactly what it's ringing for. So if you're behind schedule for something, it will tell you exactly, hey, right now you're supposed to be eating or working out. Well, it's not that detailed, but let me tell you what my schedule is right now. And to be honest, it's a very light schedule. I do not wake up early because I have insomnia problems. That's for another video. I do not wake up early, so I really had to work around that, and I'm already having trouble keeping up with it. So basically at noon it starts at noon. At noon, for 2 hours, I need to do social media stuff. That is keeping up with my Instagram. As I said, I'm a photographer. I need my Instagram to be always popping. I need my Facebook to be up to date. I need my Twitter to get some traffic. So I really need to work on those. And yes, if you're thinking, oh my God, 2 hours for social media, 2 hours isn't enough. Okay, I've tried it. It's not enough at all. And then 2 p.m., what I call IRL work is everything that is administrative, everything that I need to do concerning my freelance photography job. If I need to put on some ads and stuff like that, this is what I will do for the next 2 hours after my social media thing. The reason why I put social media in like before all of that is because it's the easiest thing to do. I could literally do it from my phone, aka still in bed is what I'm trying to say. And then when it's 2 p.m, come on, I need to get off bed. So IRL work for 2 hours, okay, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. And then at 4 p.m, I have what I call the YouTube grind. Basically, find a video, do some research, record the video, edit the video, upload the video, and then fight the algorithm so you don't get demonetized. I never get time to do all of that. Well, it's mostly the upload and fighting the algorithm that is a problem. I have no problem recording, editing, and yeah, that's it. I have really bad internet. I have 0.7 megabits upload speed. So that means if I have a 10-minute video, it's gonna take me about 3 hours to upload. Knowing that the next thing that comes at okay. So YouTube grind is 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. I give myself 3 hours there, or 2 hours there. Wait, what? To 7 p.m. Okay, never mind. There was something else. If I have like urgent posts that I need to do in the middle of the day, I would also add them to my schedule. Like right now at 6 p.m. I have a tutorial video that I need to post in a specific Facebook group. Anyways, so yeah, at 6 p.m. I'm supposed to be working out and eating and taking a shower to prepare for my live stream. That starts 1 hour and a half after that. So at 8:30, I'm supposed to be live streaming. So here's the big problem is that at 6 p.m, my YouTube grind is supposed to be over. Basically, I've recorded, edited, and I have a video. Basically, I have a video. But if the video is longer, just like this one, it's going to be longer than 10 minutes. That means I will need about 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours to upload it because of the file size and my shitty internet. Then I'm supposed to be streaming on Twitch 1 hour and a half after the YouTube grind. So the big problem is that I can't upload the video at this time because I'm supposed to be streaming and I need my internet. I can't upload and stream at the same time. I can barely stream. So from 8:30, I'm supposed to be streaming till 11:30, aka midnight. And it's very hard with my bad internet, because what I would do is at midnight, if I'm done streaming and I haven't uploaded the video to YouTube, then I need to upload it then. And then 1 a.m, 2 a.m, 3 a.m, my video is uploaded. I'm supposed to create a thumbnail and confirm everything and just cross my fingers that YouTube won't demonetize it. And as you can see on my channel, I basically have family friendly content, even though I said the word shitty a couple of times. Compared to other stuff, this is mostly a tutorial channel. Pretty much everything is family friendly, and I usually don't swear in my videos, so I'd never get why I get demonetized. It's usually how to set up this, how to delete your Instagram account. Why am I getting demonetized on those videos? And usually when I change colors on the thumbnail or I change placement, I just trick the algorithm and then it remonetized. But it just takes me like 8 hours to get that done. Well, not to get that done. Like what? It takes it takes 4 hours to get demonetized, and then after that, I change the thumbnail. It takes 4 hours to get remonetized. So all the views that I get in between this time, nothing. I get nothing on it, and I'm a small YouTuber. I need all the cents. I need them. So yeah, this is pretty much my schedule, and I'm trying to go 5 days a week on this schedule. On weekends, I take a break. I try not to stream on Thursdays, because last Thursday I was so burnt out that I just couldn't stream. So I decided to take Thursdays off from Twitch, but I still upload a video to YouTube. So far, to be honest, I think my YouTube is more successful than my Twitch channel, so I'm kind of more concentrated, more focused on YouTube. But I don't know if that'll change. I really do love streaming on Twitch because there's a lot of amazing people. I just hit my ring light, and it's pretty cool. But yeah, that's about my schedule for 2018. I'm gonna be showing you more stuff. Pretty much, I'm gonna be showing you what I do when I do photography. I'm gonna still show you what I do on Twitch. I will still upload clips, compilations from Twitch, so you guys can know what's happening in my Twitch channel. And yeah, that's all I'm going to do in 2018. No, that's not a good phrasing. I will probably do way more than that. But I just want you guys to go and follow me on Twitch if you do like watching live streamers on Twitch. So it's twitch.tv/GaelLevel. Like and subscribe right here on YouTube if you want more content. And I will see you guys later. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you have a new schedule? What is your New Year's resolution? Pretty much. Tell me, are you gonna work out more? Are you gonna eat healthy, or you don't have none of that normie stuff? You have something better. You're like, oh, this is the year I'm gonna make it big on YouTube. This is the year I'm gonna make it big on Twitch, on Instagram. I'm gonna become a very successful influencer. That's kind of what my New Year's resolution is, I guess. Anyways, let me know in the comment section below. Like and subscribe, as I said already. I will see you guys next time. Gael Level out.